Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the internet. My name is NewmanAir912, and we're going to do something interesting today. We're going to write the worst code ever. I was working on a project earlier, and I rewrote a factorial function, and I decided to do it in as few lines as possible. And it's the worst code ever, and it's beautiful, and I love it. So I'm going to teach you this delightful piece of code in roughly... Now, alright, I'm in a tiny window up in the corner. So first thing we're going to do is create our source file. We're just going to call it source. Wow, we got this big old block of code. What do we need? We'll just throw in IO stream. I'm not going to use IO manip. We'll do everything except for the actual coding in the industry standard, which is why I'm doing that. Since we're going to be the only ones using this code, we're not even going to bother cout and cin. We're just going to cin x. I would also like to point out that when I originally wrote this code, I did it in Unix. So, I know it works. We're on Windows. Hold on, let me go grab something. If I've done it correctly, this should set the text color to white text on black. But I will obviously be debugging off screen so that you don't have to deal with ugly colors. Alright, I hope you're ready to see this terrible code I've been talking about. Ready? If x return x times factorial x minus 1. Gotta spell it right. Turn 1. That's it. That's the code. I'm going to go ahead and debug it once quick. Oh, yeah. Forgot that. It is working. It is just very small. This is my terrible code. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to probably do these more often if I get cool ideas. As far as terrible coding practices go, I'm a big fan of this, the way I have this if-else setup. Since it is a strict if-else, we don't need the else. It also is convenient that within my if-else, I didn't need multiple lines. I also very much enjoy this right here, the if-x, because what that is actually saying is if x is any value other than 0. And that's why I love programming, and this has been Terrible Code. Thank you all very much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.